Night skincare routine, dermatologist-approved, step-by-step. For oily skin. Step 1. Gel cleanser. Use a gentle foaming or gel-based cleanser to remove excess oil, sunscreen, and dirt. Avoid harsh face washes that make skin feel overly dry. They increase oil production. Step 2. Light hydrating toner, optional. Choose an alcohol-free toner with ingredients like niacinamide or green tea to control oil and calm skin. Step 3. Treatment serum. For oil control and pores, niacinamide, 5 to 10%. For acne or texture, retinoid, 2 to 3 nights/week. Use only one active at a time. Step 4. Lightweight moisturizer. Yes, oily skin still needs moisturizer. Use a gel or oil-free moisturizer with ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Step 5. Lip balm. Don't skip lip care. Oily skin still gets dry lips. Skipping moisturizer makes oily skin produce even more oil. For dry skin. Step 1. Creamy cleanser. Use a non-foaming, creamy cleanser that cleans without stripping natural oils. Step 2. Hydrating toner. This step is highly recommended for dry skin. Look for glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or rose water. Step 3. Repair serum. For hydration, hyaluronic acid. Apply on damp skin. For barrier repair, niacinamide, low strength. Avoid strong exfoliating acids at night. Step 4. Rich moisturizer. Use a thick, nourishing night cream with ceramides, shea butter, squalane, or cholesterol. Step 5. Seal with oil, optional. If skin feels very dry, add 2 to 3 drops of facial oil to lock in moisture. Step 6. Lip balm. Use a thick balm or petroleum jelly before bed. Hydration plus barrier repair is the key. For acne-prone skin. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Use a mild cleanser, not harsh, not scrubby. If prescribed, you can use a salicylic acid cleanser once daily. Step 2. Soothing toner, optional. Choose calming ingredients like centella, panthenol, or green tea. Avoid fragrance and alcohol. Step 3. Treatment, very important. Retinoid, pea-sized, 2 to 3 nights/week. Or azelaic acid for acne plus marks. Never layer multiple acne treatments together. Step 4. Non-comedogenic moisturizer. Always moisturize. Choose a light, non-pore clogging cream with ceramides or niacinamide. Step 5. Spot treatment if needed. Apply acne treatment only on active pimples, not all over the face. Step 6. Lip care. Acne treatments, dry lips, use balm every night. Overtreating acne damages the skin barrier and causes more breakouts. For normal skin. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. At night, always cleanse your face to remove sunscreen, makeup, oil, and pollution. Use a gentle, low pH cleanser that doesn't leave your skin tight or dry. If you wear makeup or heavy sunscreen, double cleansing is recommended. First with a cleansing balm or micellar water, followed by a mild face wash. Step 2. Hydrating toner, optional. A hydrating toner helps restore moisture and prepares the skin for the next steps. Look for ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or panthenol. Avoid alcohol-based toners at night, as they can damage the skin barrier. Step 3. Treatment serum. Choose one. This step depends on your skin concern. For acne or texture, use a retinoid, pea-sized amount, 2 to 3 nights per week. For pigmentation or dullness, use niacinamide or azelaic acid. For hydration and repair, use hyaluronic acid or peptide serum. Do not layer multiple strong actives together at night. Step 4. Eye cream, optional. Use a small amount around the orbital bone. This helps with dryness and fine lines, but is optional if your moisturizer is gentle enough. Step 5. Moisturizer. Most important step. Seal everything in with a barrier repair moisturizer. Look for ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, or squalane. At night, a slightly thicker cream is better than a gel. Step 6. Lip care. Apply a nourishing lip balm or petroleum jelly to prevent dryness and cracking overnight. Important dermatologist tips. Apply products on slightly damp skin. For better absorption, use retinoids only at night. Consistency matters more than expensive products. If irritation occurs, stop actives and focus on moisturizer only. Simple rule. Clean, treat, moisturize, sleep. That's it. Thank you for listening. Hope this information helps you to get glowing skin. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.